Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are here with another Skyway Classic vehicle. I have a 1990 Ram, what is it, a Ram?
It's a Ram 2500.
Ram 2500.
Diesel with air conditioning.
Cummins Diesel with air conditioning.
Brand new rubber on it, shock absorbers. Got a real decent paint job on it. There's no rust in the car at all. It's a one-owner vehicle. Customer that owned it bought it brand new.
It's beautiful.
Been in Florida most of its life, back and forth, but the last 15 years has been Florida.
It's got Line-X on the back here,
Nice
extra
Line-X,
tire.
Got a brand new spare tire in the back.
It's a really good looking truck.
Air conditioning is as cold as ice.
Yep.
Power steering and brakes.
It's got an
Sliding rear
updated
window, cargo lamps.
Oh, it does have a slide
Non-smoker. I mean, look at this thing.
It's beautiful. It got the nice maroon red interior. It does have an updated stereo with Bluetooth.
And it does have a trailer brake too.
Okay, I was gonna say I didn't know what that
Yeah,
was.
it's got a trailer brake.
Got it.
So I think we should take it for a quick spin and show everybody what she's about.
For sure. Yeah, very, very good looking truck. Nice cold start there. All right, we're gonna take it for a ride. Here we are.
All right, here we go. 1990 turbo diesel. Regular cab. Dodge pickup truck. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. Got a trailer brake on her. Sounds like a big old semi, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's got a 3-speed automatic transmission. I gotta tell you, she runs like a champ. It really does. Got some good air conditioning in her. Is that blowing on your side?
Yeah, I just wanted to turn it down so we could hear the engine.
Oh. All right, well, I'll do that. Turn
There
it
we
down.
go.
Got the window open too. We have our speedometer, works perfectly. Oil pressure, fuel gauge. If you want to take a look at that, volts. Obviously, it's still cold because we just started her up. Goes down the road as nice as a truck can be, man. What a great farm truck. What a great old-time truck to just to have some fun in it. It's not that bad price-wise either, $19,000. So I'm going to take it around the block here really quick now, and then we're going to go and put it on the hoist, okay?
Alrighty.
Get a shot of that so they can see what's underneath there.
Sounds good. 1990. Come and see it.